No wonder.
What are you doing here? Stop it, you. Come on, this is stupid. He killed Nita in that explosion.
I know. He told me he was there, and he was with her when she died.
You do this, and you'll end up in jail. You know that. I don't care.
What would Nita think?
No, you can't use that.
Why? You're doing this in her name, aren't you? Well, let me tell you. That compassionate, good-hearted, noble woman, she wouldn't want any part of this. She'd be standing there in tears, begging you to be the bigger man and urging you not to throw the rest of your life away. Be the man she fell in love with. And come home with us.
Sorry.
You gave him the keys. You put him up to this.
I have to do something. That man. He always manages. I told my family that he used to hit me for being gay. Years I've wanted to tell them that. So they... I don't know. What did I want them to say?
That it wasn't your fault.
But they didn't believe me.
You mustn't give up. Do you hear me? Because that's what bullies like him want.
Bullies. You're right. Yesterday, was that him?
The look in his eyes. Suddenly I was right back there, like you must have felt when you were a child. Just ashamed for being who I am, embarrassed for being me. But not anymore. You choose to rise above it.
Or you finally decide to fight back?
Now, I was cool with you sneaking me in here, and I'm not scared of much, but... Is your Auntie Mara going to be standing on that landing with a rolling pin?
She'll more than likely be out there with a camera phone if she thinks you're in here with your top off.
So to give the punters what they came for, or what? And look at that. She's playing my tune.
You're such an idiot.
I believe in miracles. Where you from? You sexy thing. Hey, what you doing? I was just getting into my groove then.
What's the matter? It's Hunter. He was all fired up, wanting revenge on Mac. It's okay. Prince and I, we got there and stopped him. But just for a moment, I wanted Mac to suffer. This was him.
I'll kill him.
Ellie, does the music have to be that loud?
Dad, what did I tell you? You need to stay upstairs. Yeah, well, it's hard enough to get him back in here in the first place.
Yeah, you're right. So,
Dad, can I ask you something? Did you... When he was a kid, did you ever hit James?
no. No, of course not. Ellie, you hit my own son. Are you serious? Look, I admit I've got a temper, and I like a drink, man. Hit my own children, no. No, never.
Evil piece of scum.
He said he'd never hit a woman. He said that. And then I'm going to tear him a new one. Wait, no, that's not why I told you. Then why did you? I didn't want to. I was just so ashamed. I was giving advice to someone. James Nightingale, of all people. And he's hidden these secrets for years. And it's made him bitter and angry. This Neron destroyed him. And I don't want to be that person.
Sally. Now you listen to me, Sal. You forget everything that man said to you. You are a strong, proud, and beautiful woman.
Beautiful.
Yes. Beautiful.
Thanks, Myra. You're quite wonderful.
I'm so glad you told me. You mean the world to me.
Are you serious? Couldn't do it yesterday, so you've come back to have another go. James, haven't you learned your lesson? So what are you gonna do, huh? Summon up your superpowers. Make way for the Pink Avenger. Stand back for the super gay. Well, you are such an embarrassment. Just like you were on your 16th birthday.
Don't talk about that.
Oh, Daddy, please, please take me home. Daddy, I don't want to be here. James, she was a gorgeous-looking woman, right? I paid for the night of your life. I expect you to stand up and be a man.
Why did you even take me there? You knew I was gay. You must have done.
I don't know. But it might turn you back the other way.
Because you couldn't beat it out of me.
But you know what the best bit is? The thing that makes me laugh the most. Nobody believes I hit you. And nobody ever will. Oh, was that it? Oh, James, that was your big moment. The pain you're about to feel. The misery you're about to go through. I almost feel sorry for you. Almost. You pathetic little wuss!
Dad! It's true. Everything you said. You're a monster.
You deserved it. that's enough. No, 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 no more, no more. Oh, darling, I love you so much. I love you more than anything.